anything where you're moving your joints is going to um, improve the health of your joints. So if you just put someone in a cast and they don't move their joint, the joint starts to degenerate. So joints were made for moving. But what I'm getting to is cycling is obviously moving, and that's just healthy for the joint no matter what. And so it's not going to grow back new cartilage. It's not going to cure arthritis, but it is going to keep the knee as healthy as possible to hopefully slow down the progression of the arthritis. Because as your joint fluid moves, it actually our joints have fluid in them to lubricate them. So you have the cartilage in there, which we just talked about. Then you have fluid in there too. And that fluid is actually how our cartilage gets its nutrition. Cartilage doesn't have a good blood supply, so it doesn't get its nutrition from the blood, which is one of the reasons why it doesn't heal when it's injured because it doesn't have a blood supply, so it can't heal. It gets its nutrition from the joint fluid. So cycling is going to maintain, it's going to help strengthen, so that might help slow down the progression of arthritis. It's going to decrease symptoms. It's a tremendous exercise. If you can't run or impact load, jumping, running, cutting, those types of things because of arthritis or whatever reasons, cycling is amazing. It's one of the first exercises we get people doing on an exercise bike after a surgery, right? So it's a very good exercise to do, but it is not going to cure arthritis or reverse arthritis in and of itself.